Welcome. My name is Brian Knott, and I live in Melbourne, in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday for me. Sunday for you, Tom, eh?
hmm
Welcome. Right. Let's just share this quickly. So welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's a foolish disclosure, bit about us as live session traders. And why have I got two? That's weird. Anyway, that's where I'm at the moment. Um, quite a few. This one was this CAD CHF's the only one with a 30 pip. The rest of them are sort of 100, 200, 500, whatever. Um,
Good on you.
Oh, the AUD CAD's down as well, but we'll get through that in a minute. That's okay. Yeah, just a slow process. Not slow. How do I put it? Just over time. So, yeah, well, that's what sort of relaxed trading's all about. Isn't it, Tom, really?
hmm
Rightio, there we go. We're over onto the screen, the trading platform. Right. So yeah, you can see we're at the push back up again. We'll see. I'm still hanging in there at the moment. Work out what's
For the
happening.
buy.
Nah, I'm in the cell, but
Oh, you're in the cell.
I've been in the
Okay.
cell. I was down here and had, like 2%, and then it just sort of crawled its way back up again. I'm waiting for it to drop off. Like I may or may not, I may lose it, but that's the way it is. Um, I've got here, so if it breaks the most previous high, it could come up. I don't know. I'm still of the view we're going to sell, but you would have been in the buy for a while and would be um
I'm
get.
not in this.
Oh, you're not?
No,
I thought you were in the buy.
no.
Okay, right, right. Well, let's
Oh,
see
I'm
what happens
definitely. Well, let's make it clear though. I'm definitely looking to get in
for the
to
buy.
the buy.
Yeah, but it'll have to pull back before you do.
Right. But
Good.
typically, anything that gets ready to break a top like this
Yeah,
generally gives a pullback first,
yeah, and then goes up.
and then right. So I'm just waiting for that little whatever that pullback is what I'm taking.
Well, I might just wait for the pullback to get out. So, we'll see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think you're absolutely right. And normally we would see something pull back. All right. ADCHF. And my only thing, you see, I've been in this one for a while. It's since the 15th as well. And so it's like I was at 5%. It's like, what is it now? Hang on, I'm gonna pull it across a bit. It's probably about, I don't know, not quite five, but it pulled back up to be quite a bit, and now it's sort of pushed back down. I think, yeah, well, let's see. The Aussie dollar looks like it might come off. Now, it's August. I think I don't know if it's the 8th or the 18th. I can't remember. We don't see it yet, but there'll be a rate decision. And, well, I know last month they said it was going to, like, there were like everybody saying, oh, it's going to be a rate cut. But, unemployment has increased by zero point 0.2. So it goes from 4.1 to 4.3. Um, so it just gives the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, the ability to cut the interest rate, probably only 0.25%, but we'll see. Um, and so I think that's what will drop off the currency again further. But, we've got to wait for that anyway. Okay, ADJPY, let's push back up nicely. I'm not in that trade, but like I was. It got me in, it punched me out, off it went. Yeah, and just sort of had been a bit wary of this one. And yet you can see where it's pulled back that bit and it looks like to break the high. Okay, AUD, NZD. Oh, we now got a gold or yellow indicator. But look, see it changed direction, put it up, but now price is below. It's like weird. It's still not, it's not comfortable for you to get in yet. But I think this will sell. But
I'm not in this yet.
no, I think you said the end of the week, you said it didn't give you what you needed to be able to be confident of buy or sell.
Right. And here's
Mm.
why. We
Yeah,
touched the blue line.
yeah, and then pulled
So,
away.
so now we have started at some point. This is going to be the point that all other pricing has to come back to eventually.
Okay.
So as this is turning, because it's going up now,
No, it's actually going down, but that's okay.
the blue line,
Oh, yeah, the blue line's going up. Yeah,
the
yeah,
blue line's going up, the green line's
yeah,
going up.
yeah,
So this has touched the blue line.
yeah,
So now we're either going to make highs and
yeah,
keep going up,
all make lows.
or when it turns and comes back to this line, we're going to
Mm,
break and continue down
down.
because this is considered a break of structure.
Yeah, and if you actually look, that's probably difficult, maybe difficult for you to see, but can you see, and maybe it might not, but can you see this brick here that's being
Yes.
created? That's actually selling, so it's actually lower than the completed brick.
Yes, it's going to show you that.
Hmm.
There's no wick on that blue brick that it just
Correct,
created, right?
correct.
So this is either going to be that wick tapping
Yeah,
into this gold brick,
yep,
or it's going to change directions and continue down.
correct. And that's what I was saying. Maybe I didn't say it properly enough, but you're right. Well, I think we'll get I think out of this, we're going to get a red wick push up. And
I
I think
think
this,
so as well. That's
yeah.
why I'm just letting this play because
Yeah.
my entry is going to be up here where that no wick brick is,
Ah, right.
right in
Okay.
the
Yeah.
center.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if this continues to start pushing back up, I'll look for a pullback or a wick
Yeah.
pushing down, and then I'll pick up the next brick
Yeah.
up to
Yeah. Yeah.
break this high.
Yeah. Okay. All right. This is for me, it's like the Euro GBP or the USD CAD type currency. It's like
Yeah, I think
they,
your placeholder is wrong.
oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry about it at the minute. I think I just tossed it in, but it shouldn't be over there anyway. Um, we think about there. Oh, that's going to be tight. No, you can't. There's no way you would do it at that tight. Yeah, I already put we moved the stop to there.
You mean
I think
for the
this is what we,
short?
sorry?
Are you talking about for a short?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm waiting for it to push and then drop off. I think it will.
But you're saying it's not going to beat this high.
Correct. This high here. Yeah, I don't think it'll break that high. I
Oh,
don't even think it'll break this wick here. I
oh,
think it'll
okay,
just come up and then drop off again.
gotcha.
That's where I'm at.
Okay, I
Oh,
didn't understand.
Darren's out and
Hey, Darren.
about. I think he's
Yeah,
over at, I think he's over at his mum's.
yeah, I'm busy tonight, Brian. So,
That's okay, mate. No
but just
problem at
to
all.
just let you know, I've got my iPhones accounts all set up, sharpshooters on, all ready to all ready for market opening. So,
Wow. Well done, Darren.
exciting times.
Yeah. And so which one did you choose?
Sharpshooter
No, no,
iPhones.
no.
Sorry. Oh,
Which
just the ambitious, but on the 10 50/50 profit split. So
okay.
ambitious, which is the 10K
Yeah, the
account.
10K one. Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
the default 50/50, which is 10% drawdown.
Yeah,
Yeah,
great. Okay, yeah, yeah. They're all the particulars. Thank you, Darren.
yeah.
Well done, mate. Yeah, well, we'll just
So
watch. So, and sharpshooters just in there. So you've limited that to what, 6%? 7, sorry.
no, the 10% drawdown. So
No, 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 no.
sharpshooter. I think
Yeah, you put it.
4% is the max. Is the highest drawdown that's ever
Yeah,
had.
yeah, but you've
Live
put in a safety, have you, into that at, I think we were discussing it.
into
Did
the
you put,
EA.
yeah,
No, it's just as per the. I've got the medium risk. Gone for
good.
the medium risk,
Yep,
which is what I'm running on my live account.
yep.
But there are two stop losses built in, as I understand it anyway, in the
Right,
sharpshooter.
right. Okay.
There's a so. But anyway, I mean, it should be comfortable at 10% with when drawdown's 4%. I know the guy on EA Academy. He uh, he does the 70% profit split, which I think is that 7%
Oh,
drawdown. I think.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
I think it
with
is.
it
Yeah, yeah.
at high risk settings. So he's
Whoa.
so I suppose I'm being very conservative here, but
Yeah,
it's my first sort of dabble into funded accounts. So
yeah.
so I want to be cautious about it. And I was just watching I found an interview, seen Petco and with the
Sharpshooter
iFunds,
guy.
no, the
Oh, iPhone,
iFunds
sorry.
people,
Okay.
and they were talking a bit about these prop firms and how really most of these prop firms are just set up, to they want you to
But
fail.
yeah,
That's how they make the money, and they also talked about a lot of them find any excuse they can to not pay out as well. All these
yeah,
prop firms, so it was interesting.
yeah, yeah. No,
It was
totally.
interesting listening to that. Yeah.
So
That's where I am. That's
so
where I
what's
am.
your oh, and you talked about that, and they were talking about withdrawing on a monthly basis so that you can keep your
Yeah, that's what he does. That's what
um
Petco does.
yeah,
Uh, he's got high risk settings, withdrawals monthly. So whether I do that, I might let it sort of build up a little bit, and then I don't know. I'll see what I feel like. See what I
yeah,
feel like with that one. I am running I am on medium risk. He's running high risk, so
yeah.
maybe I'll just let it
But
run for a
he's
while.
taking it out so that it doesn't sort of reduce if he's on
Well, I
7%, it
assume
doesn't
so. Is
reduce his drawdown
Yeah, yeah,
because of the amount. So he
yeah,
takes withdrawals
yeah,
out so that he can keep his amount down to the 10K
yeah,
too.
yeah,
And yeah,
yeah.
okay. Because anything that he leaves in there would actually start creating a even lower
Yeah, it would.
drawdown
Yeah, yeah, it would.
number.
It would tighten the drawdown, wouldn't it?
Mm.
Um,
So have you got sort of a projected um, income or
um,
projected sort of
well, the medium
profit,
risk is sort of 2 to 3% monthly. Is the
right?
is the expected on the medium risk. I think it's high risk is sort of 2 to 4. Not a lot of difference really.
Yeah, yeah,
I think the low risk is sort of 1 to 2,
yeah. So that'd
and at
be
medium 2 to 3,
that would be
$200 to $300
yeah. I was going to say
potentially, wouldn't it?
yeah
Yeah,
per month.
yeah.
That wouldn't
But
stress out your thing at 10%. So
I mean, it's quite conservative at the moment. I think that. So I'm just going in low risk, see
yeah,
how it go,
yeah,
and I don't see any reason why you can't then purchase more accounts with them if that's all going
yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah,
The
yeah, yeah,
withdrawals are
yeah,
coming, and you could end up with I don't know, you could end up with 10 of these, couldn't you, running
yeah.
whatever,
So
ultimately, and
so
then
basically in 3 months, it could be sort of like 700 to $900 in roughly in a 3 month period.
yeah,
Okay. Right. And your initial outlay is like 1,000, is it?
no, it's less than that. It's uh, gosh, what was it now? It's not as much as that, Brian. It's
For the iPhones account.
yeah, no, it wasn't not $1,000.
Okay.
It was $700.
Yeah, okay.
But I did find a five
But
percent
yeah.
coupon online, so I got yeah, managed to get a few dollars off that. So
Oh, it doesn't Petco, doesn't EA Academy also do it?
I didn't see anything. I did have a look, but I couldn't
Okay.
find
And
anything.
and the other thing is also need to take into account the cost of the sharpshooter
Yeah,
EA as well.
yeah.
That's like what's that, 400 or
Well, I think the standard price is $499, but
yeah,
I got I
500.
got, I got 25% off that. I used a discount code, got
Yeah.
25% off it.
So
So it's 300
400.
and
Oh yeah.
three,
Let's do
three.
round figures, 400.
Yeah,
And then you got 700. So you got $1,100
yeah,
basically in expenses.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
And then you have to run, then you've also got the cost of a VPS.
Yeah, but I've already got one of those.
Yeah,
I've
I
got
know,
I've
but
got a couple of those, but yeah, need
yeah.
a
So
VPS.
there's a
Yeah,
monthly fee for that. I'm just trying,
yeah,
I suppose what I'm doing is I'm just saying, well,
yeah, yeah.
in reality, these are the expenses along the way. So
Oh, they
that'd
are. Yeah,
be, so what's that about? 30 dollars to
yeah.
run that.
I mean,
So it's about $30 a month.
yeah, I would say so. If you're just running
Okay.
running the
So over
sharpshooter,
three
yeah,
months, it's about another $100. I'm just being round
yeah.
figures again. So you're, what's
But
that?
I've got
700.
multiple EAs and
Yeah,
multiple
yeah, yeah,
MT4 and MT5 terminals running on these
yeah, yeah, yeah.
BBSs now. So
Well, correct. And you want to share across that, but that's okay. I'm just looking at if you
yeah,
only just ran this one thing, what it would
yeah,
be. So
yeah,
that's about $1,200. So it would take you about 4 to 5 months to
yeah,
actually recoup all of that cost, everything
yeah,
going smoothly.
yeah.
Okay. Right. I'm just looking, I'm just like in my head going, so yeah. And then after that, it would just be profit.
Mm,
Oh
yeah,
no, because you're only making 50% of any of it.
yeah,
So you'd only be making half of that 3%. So you'd only be making
yeah.
1.5, wouldn't
It's
you?
going to take you about 6 months, Brian, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I was going to say it'd be at least 6 to 8 months. Yeah, okay, no
Yeah,
worries. That's okay. The only thing that we've all got is a bit of time.
yeah.
Okay, it's pretty relaxed. Good. All right. Sorry, I'm not trying to grill you, Darren.
No, no, it's all right.
I'm
It's all
just
right.
going like, these are the bits, and yeah, you got that and code. Lovely. All right. And
Yeah.
you still got all the other ones running as well.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So I've got Sharpshooter on a live account and all the other EAs. I just thought to just mention that I don't know if you've seen, but Trump's announced that they've announced they've agreed a tariff deal with the EU today.
Oh, no, I didn't see. Okay.
So I'm just thinking might expect maybe a bit of a gap, Euro USD when market opens or something, or a bit of movement. Interesting
Right.
to see what happens on that
Because
pair.
Euro, where are we? Euro USD here. I was going to say, because we hadn't seen you and it had pushed up. So,
Yeah,
um, I think since I'd seen you last week, that can't remember which one of the EA that you had that was on Euro USD that was going into more and more drawdown, but
yeah.
it pulled back. So did it profit out or
Um, some of it did, yeah. But there's another. There's one still running, one position
okay,
still running on it. So I'll be interested to see what happens to that
okay,
when the market opens.
rightio. Hmm, interesting. Okay,
Yeah, right.
I know you're busy. Thank you very much for the update. I really appreciate it.
No worries. I'll catch you during the week.
Yeah, no worries at all. All the best,
All
mate.
right. See ya.
Yeah, bye bye. Very interesting, eh, Tom? Tom still there?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
interesting
Good
to
stuff.
go through that. Anyway, hey, it's good. Um, yeah, so AUD NZD, we'll see. Work out anyway. Bit of a potentially we'll see where the wick is and we'll go from there. K80 Singapore, which you don't trade. Get out of there. Get rid of that. Yeah. Look at the drop off there. It was same. I think we're anyway. Again, there's a turn. It would have been good to get into that sell, but anyway, I haven't as yet.
So set a limit order
What for the buy?
for the sell. You said you wanted to be in the sell, right?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sell stop. Yeah, but I wouldn't do it right at the minute. I'll do it when I get back. I'll get back after market opens and things sort of like calm down. Then I'll grab a trade then. I know. Yeah. Um, I want to sort of do like what you do, Tom, in that I want to be able to get into the trade, but I want to be able to pad out the stop loss, which is it's it's difficult to, no, it's not difficult to do now. I could, couldn't I? Yeah.
Quite honestly, now is the best time to do it because you
Yeah.
want that market to hit that spread.
Yeah. Oh, maybe. Not necessarily. I don't know. I've been very cautious of that.
No,
Wait
when
for
it
the,
can you grab a placeholder? Let me show you what I
yeah,
mean real quick.
sure. I'll put it on this side, yeah?
Sure.
For the short, hang on, where am I? There. Yeah. And then where am I? It would be there.
Okay. So pull your stop up,
Hmm?
pull your stop up until you align with that green wick on the daily time frame that's behind the red one. Too
Oh,
high.
yeah, this one here. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And then pull your entry up.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah, yes. Pull your entry up to the bottom of the gold bar.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now where are you still on that green wick on the daily?
Yeah.
Okay, so move it up to the red wick on the
Uh,
daily.
yeah, okay. Yeah.
So there's your trade.
So what you think is, so you're saying at open, it'll spike up and then go down.
You have to understand, spread's going to hit.
Spread's going to make it do that because it'll open out a big, yeah, okay.
Right. So by the time it taps you in,
Yeah.
if it's going to go down, it's not going to beat this brick,
Yeah,
this
correct.
gold brick.
The gold brick. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So all you need is spread to tap you in. It doesn't even have to come
Right.
close to your
Yeah,
candle.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, I know. Yeah, yeah. No, no, yeah, that makes sense.
So if the red one on the left is the new high, the red wick is the
Mm,
new high,
mm-hmm,
then this shouldn't be broken,
mm-hmm.
but you will get a wick in there that taps
Yeah,
that box and then
taps
takes
in.
off. Do
Yeah,
you
yeah,
see the
yeah, yeah.
one down to your left that did it?
Yes, I do.
That's what you're looking
Mm.
for.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So if this
Yeah, yeah,
takes off,
this, sorry, I'm coming, I'll show you what you say. This week here, bang, comes up, taps you in, and then drops off.
yeah, just
Yeah.
like go to the blue side.
Oh, yeah, yeah, over here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It come
Yeah,
up,
now go
bang.
down to your left. A little more to your left. The next red one's over.
Oh, over here. Yeah.
Yeah. You see how that pulled back and tapped
Yeah,
that
yeah,
brick?
yeah, yeah. Bang, up, and
That's
then down
exactly
it
what I
came.
want this to
So you
do.
reckon this is what it'll do here, bang, and then drop off, but not potentially not break the below here. So you just grab that bit of cell and then up. Okay, I'm going to do this then. Okay, let me organize here. So what have I got? Sorry, we're AUD Singapore. You don't normally trade this anyway, so
Right. So this is going to
uh,
be completely yours to learn on this strategy. Can you show
yeah,
me just this side on the right side real
yeah.
quick?
Sorry.
Can I just see the right side screen?
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, there.
Okay, and then shrink it down. Okay, good. Downtrend, pull back. It
Yeah,
manipulated. You see
yeah,
the drop at the bottom?
yep,
Now we're looking for a push up.
yeah, correct.
So grab your
But
so
in a
grab your
shorter
fib real
term.
quick,
Oh, yeah, okay, we want to go feed. Yeah, we're off.
and you want to go from the low of the brick behind it, where it's at now. See the gold brick at the top?
Yeah,
Yeah, right there. Go to the bottom of that brick, that gold brick. Yeah, right there. Down. Perfect. Perfect. Down to the bottom of the top of that gold brick it just created at the bottom. Just like that. Okay, so
oh,
leave it
that
there.
needs to be down there. It needs to be there.
Do the inside
You
to
want
inside.
that?
Yes.
Okay.
Now you have your 619. So all you're looking for is this to push and test this bottom wick down here that it just
Mm-hmm.
created at this bottom.
Yeah,
So you want
okay.
to buy it out of this zone
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
down
yeah,
to
yeah.
this zone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So when this breaks this 619 and it
Mm.
pushes down, flip the fib over,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
flip it over, and
Yeah.
set it up the exact same way from the bottom to the top. And then as it comes down into this 619, you're looking for the buy out because you're looking for the buy up. It's
Yeah,
currently buying up. You want to stay with the trend.
which is there. Bang, 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 and then back up. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're gonna take the sell because you think it's gonna short all the way down here at the very bottom, then take the
Mm-hmm.
short.
Mm-hmm.
Or you just let this run for a while and then you wait for it to bounce off either the 619 in this direction or the
Mm-hmm.
619 in the other direction.
Mm-hmm.
That'll keep you out of bad trades.
Yeah. Okay. I got that. Okay, so wait a minute. So I just want to be able, let me now, because I just get into a short sell. So if I go, I've got it there in Singapore, I do an order, uh, change my lot size, that's there. Entry price, what do I want? What's the entry is 84303. Oh, yeah, that's okay. And a stop
Where's
loss.
it at?
Huh?
Where did you put it?
84303 here for the spike up, for the spread to take it and then push down.
Okay. Okay. It should
But
actually be one brick up. It should be at the bottom of that gold brick on the left. I'm sorry, on the right.
that's where it is.
Is that where it's at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And the stop is 84527. But it won't take the trade now anyway because it's the market's not open.
Right.
That's why. Good point. It's perfect. All right, let's see how that goes. I'm just going to place it. All right, so it's in place now, that order. So we'll just see. Cool. Yeah. And so what you're actually saying is you're utilizing the actual spread to actually enter the trade.
Right.
Yeah.
So by the time I click in, I'm already up 3 candles.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so you're actually increasing your actual profitability. Like if it spiked anyway. Yeah, okay, no worries. I love it. Thanks, Tom.
And the other thing is,
Because what I normally would do is I would wait the spread to settle down and then I would get in the trade. But in actual fact, that's an okay way of doing it. But the point is it's it's going to reduce my profitability. Okay, on that on that sell trade. Okay,
and the thing
good.
is, if it does not come back and snap you in,
It doesn't
you
matter.
haven't lost anything.
Anything. Yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, I'm there. I'm there. I'm there. Okay, sweet. All right then. AUD USD. Well, that's pulled back too. It would have been good to be into.
Exact same
Same thing. Yeah,
setup.
no. Yeah.
You broke the high, you're looking
Yeah,
for a
yeah.
push down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But potentially maybe not breaking the low. Even though you will anyway. We'll see. It'll come back down to at least the trend bar. All right. I've got to keep us moving so that I've got to get back on the track today. All right, we've got lots going on. Yeah. Kids there, Jeff. Oh, beautiful. That dropped off nice. You're still in it, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I reckon, I don't know. See, it's only just matched out here. Where am I? Kids there, Jeff. Oh, yeah, that's the one that's only, but that's okay. All right, good. What do you think will happen here? Will it break the
I think
bottom?
it's going to run and run and run. It's
Oh,
going down.
lovely. Good.
I'm looking at this going another, let's see, where it's at now. I'm looking for it to go down another 160,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
167.
Yeah, okay.
And in fact, on my daily time frame, if this trade pans out, I have it marked out.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'll be at
Oh, yeah, because you got in.
43
Yeah.
to 1.
Yeah, yeah. You were way up here when you got in. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm only at this point. It did a drawdown. Now it's pushed back down. So okay. Well, let's keep watching. All right, KJ price going up. Yeah, I'm still there. It's going sideways, but that's okay. Oh, there's a change. That's good. I'm liking that. Hopefully we get a bit more of a push up. I'm up 3.8, 3.8. Okay. CHF JPY. That's another nice push up. Yes, I like that too. Beautiful. There's another 9% on that one. God, look at the stopper. Yeah, okay. Going. These are going nice. Just the trend, just going through. Okay, so what am I on that one? CHF JPY 514 pips.
Well done.
That's good. Let's see. All right. These ones are not in Euro AUD. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I
Okay.
just got in this one.
For the buy.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I think you with what Darren said, which I didn't know, I wonder what the trade deal is. It's like, God, all Trump making deals with like it's so anyway. US is just gonna get screwed over. It's just
Yep.
got no idea.
We get
Anyway,
everything we deserve.
you know, it's just wrong. Like anyway. Yeah, there's been over here, there's been you know, um, defense ministers from the UK and a whole lot of foreign ministers and stuff all coming out here, talking about how we're best of buddies and yeah, so interesting stuff going on. There's a bit closer ties happening. All right, so you're a cad. Did you get in that buy?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay.
No, waiting for the
Well, let's
pullback.
see. Yeah, let's see what happens when. Yeah. Well, I think it'll break the top though. I think it'll
Yeah, me
break up here,
too.
then pull back, and then maybe off go again. So,
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking
but
for it to
this,
pull back, and then I can get into the buy.
yeah, but this, if they got this sort of deal going, then it may disrupt what we think is going to happen here. It depends on what happens when the market opens. Maybe it'll keep it going. Euro CHF. Yeah, these CHFs are so strong. Getting there. I'm not even talking about it buying. I
Oh, I
think,
am.
are you?
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, well, let's see. It's going to have to do anyway. Euro GBP. Oh, wow. That was a big push. I didn't get in. What was I doing? Anyway, so it's broken there. It's getting ready to pull back, I think. Do you reckon it'll keep going?
No, I think we're going to push up, break that left to your daily,
Yeah. Yeah,
and
it's
then
already
turn
done
around
that.
and then turn around, drop off. It did.
Yeah. Yeah, it's already done it. Yeah, it's already broken it. Yeah. I think it's getting ready to pull back a bit. Anyway, Euro JPY. Woohoo. I'm in that. What am I at? 200 pips. Okay. And thank you, Tom. I'm loving those stops now. They're
Tighter
good.
stop losses.
Yeah, but I haven't practiced the sort of the packing, but the stop tighter, the one brick stop loss, I like, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Transition. All right then. You're at NZD. Um, I think this year. Oh, okay. So it's two. Okay, so I'm looking at to break the high. So yeah, I'll probably see how it's done the wick back down in touch. Bing, I reckon she's off. I have to set an order up. I'll do that when I get back. It's okay. I'll just type the time now. Okay, so you're NZD. All right, you're Singapore, which you don't trade. That one also I want to get in. Look at that. Oh, it's probably too late. Look at that. It's broken that. It'll probably pull back down and then go up. So I'll leave that one. Euro USD. See the change here, and do you reckon this is going to now change direction and sell? But I can't see how it would. I think with it, maybe the trade deal, it'll buy. I can't see it changing its overall trend. I think it'll buy back up. I mean, I know we've got a lower high here. I'm a bit. Yeah, let's see how it settles down after the market opens. Right, GA, what? I don't have a thing on there. I'm just like, I'm so disappointed with this one. So disappointed. This GBPs are just bombing out. And I knew you got into that sell, didn't you?
No, no, I'm not in this. If I was,
Oh, I'm
I
sure you
got
got
out.
in it. Okay, yeah, you probably got in that, and then it pulled back, you got out. I thought you would have got back into the sell again. Now we're down here. We'll probably get a pullback, but I think overall we're selling for some, like it's crazy. GBP's like really lost its mojo. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And GBP CHF, loving it. Loving it. Where am I now? Like 6%. This is when I had that biggest stop. Like, can you imagine if you have like half that stop loss, that would be like 12%. It's like,
Hmm.
anyway, that was way back here somewhere when I took it. That what's that? GBP CHF, yeah. 360 pips. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, but it's a bigger stock. Yeah, anyway, we'll look. Now it's coming to some sort of area here. We've got to sort of, I think, take a bit more notice. See? Come down. I think it'll pull back up and we'll see. Anyway, that's the GBP CHF. The crossover there, everything. I think I took it when it did crossover and then it just like, danced around and then dropped off. All right, GBP JPY. Yeah, I'm not willing to jump into that. GBP NZD, that's off. Like the AUD. I don't know what I was thinking there either.
I'm in this.
Yeah, well done, Tom. Yeah, selling out. It's good. Look at the short and everything. Bang. All right. That GBP AUD and NZD, I just had it totally wrong in my head. It just went totally the opposite direction. All right. And GBP Singapore as well. They're all out. I think something's gonna, like there's no news on the GBP, but something's gonna happen here for it to change. GU, same thing here. Right, selling out on that. I think we're just about to change direction, I think. Yeah, so, right, NZD CAD. Yeah, okay. I think we've got to change to buy up, but at the moment it's way up here. I think we'll get I don't know, maybe. Once it takes his red wick just to the left of it, I don't know whether we'll get a turn. We probably will to get a sell. Look at all the crossovers though. Look at this. Up, 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 up. Sideways. Crossover, crossover, crossover. uh, they're really just going sidey. Okay, into the CHF. Not in that
I'm about to be
for the buy.
sell.
Well, yeah. I think he's going to struggle. I think he's going to struggle, but I hope you get it. Probably you're right. Probably okay.
Where'd it
Right
come
now.
back to?
Yeah, came back to the trend bar, yeah.
To the dead zone.
Just like it did there.
Yeah,
Yeah, and to that, yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
to the dead zone. It
Yeah, yeah,
filled
yeah,
all this, beat the red
yeah,
wick,
yeah,
didn't beat this high.
Yeah.
So I'm
And
looking for this to turn and push down and beat this bottom now.
well, it has already. Yeah, okay. It's already turned.
No, not yet.
Yeah, if you look here, look at this brick here.
No,
At
I don't need
current,
it to turn yet
well, that
because
brick's
this could go
completed and got a wick up.
right, but at the same time, this could go one,
Oh,
two,
yeah, yeah,
turn
yeah.
around
And
and go
then,
back
yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah, yeah. True. True, it could. But I think you're right. I think it'll break the low. Absolutely. I think this is the time to get in for it. But anyway, and if you're in, that's good. From my perspective only. NZD I'm in that, and that's buying. Beautiful. Thank you very much. A little bit more. Another 3% on that one. What have I got? NZD 107 pips. Okay. NZD USD, not in it.
I'm in. So check this out.
That'll
I'm in
sell.
one.
Yeah.
The one I'm in, I'm up. Let's see.
For the buy.
Yeah, almost 3%.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So I put on another trade
Yeah.
right here in the middle
Yeah.
because I'm looking for this to push and then push back up. So
You mean to
it
pull
tapped.
down? Yeah, you push down to, yeah, and then push back up. Yeah.
Right. So I got in where that blue, where the white and blue candle are crossing that line.
Yeah, just here. Yeah.
That was my entry. So it's gone up
Yeah.
this high already. So I'm
Yeah,
already in
yeah.
that one too.
Yeah.
And that one's up almost a full percent. But I also have another trade
Yeah, 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 yeah.
from the daily perspective
Yeah.
that's getting ready to kick in for my third trade on this as a buy.
Okay. So you're not in drawdown, but you're
It's
reducing
in
your,
pullback.
yeah, you're in pullback. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, no worries. Right, so because you think this will buy further, and I think it will too. Okay,
Right.
right.
So I have my next entry at the top of this red wick box.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
So if it pushes up at all, it's going to trigger me into a third trade. And all I'm doing is running the risk of those two lower trades.
Yeah, 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 because you're not in that yet. Okay. Singapore, Japanese yen, I'm in. And yes, it's up. And what am I now? Roughly 2.8. Okay. And I'm up 107 pips on that one as well. Thank you. And I think that'll push up and break that. Anyway, loving it. Okay, UK. Oh, oh, that's interesting. Didn't expect that. Maybe I should have. All right. Potentially not break the high. We'll see. That could turn. Okay, could get into the sell on that. Rightio, USD CHF. I am in the sell. It's come back a little bit. I reckon it'll drop off further. But anyway,
I'm
it
in a
might
buy
come.
for this.
Yeah, I don't think it's really hit bottom yet. We'll see.
No, I have another. Well, I'm already in this one because of the two blocks down there above that gold one
Yeah,
where it just created.
yeah,
And then I put another trade on with my entry at that gold box at the top of the gold box with my
yeah,
stop down below the gold box. So when I
yeah,
trigger in, I'll
yeah,
move my stop down and I'll have 1, 2. And then if it starts to push at all, it'll have to beat this brick. I'll pick up
yeah,
a third trade.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think it'll only come up to the trend line and then it'll fall off. But anyway, we'll see. I don't care. I'm in plus on this. What's the USD like 160 pips. If I give away a couple, it's like I'm not. Again, that's when I had that sort of larger stop loss thing. Okay. USD JPY didn't get in, don't want to get in. Still just like Let's playing with that one. USD Singapore. Okay. Should look at this one to sell. I don't know. I don't think it'll break up. Anyway, I'll have a look at that when I get back to gold is 336, up, down, up, down, up. That's all over the joint. It's not really my thing at this point. Silver, where's silver? Oh, it's come back too. Okay. Well, let's see if it breaks that. It's just come back to the trend bar. And then I reckon it'll take off again. Might look at getting into that. We'll see. Bitcoin's around 119. It's all right. Still going sideways. See, these wider. Anyway, we'll work those out.
I don't know.
No, I don't know either. I'm just looking at them going like, okay, US
You know what it
60.
may be is how many times it's getting touched and what candle it's touching it.
Maybe, yeah. Okay, US oil's 65. It's now it's changed, so now we're going to go back up a bit. Okay. It looks like. But the next one's okay.
Okay, so flip your fib around.
No, you want the fib there for it to come up. You want it from 0
Oh,
to
you think it's
100.
going to continue down?
Well, I think it may, but the point is it hasn't come up to the 61.9 there, which I think it probably will, and then potentially drop off. What are your thoughts? I think you reckon it's going to, because the price is here now, it's down in here.
It
But
failed to break the low.
correct.
Right.
That wick's down there. So I think it's going back up again because we've got the gold, we've got that. I think we'll get maybe another blue wick on it. We'll just see.
Well,
Anyway,
while you're here, fix that fib real quick.
what do you want?
The fib,
Oh, yeah, look
the
at it.
bottom of the fib to the bottom of that, right? No, to the bottom of that brick.
You want it there.
No, raise that part up to the top of the gold brick. Right. And
Yeah,
then take
there.
the top and lower it down to the bottom of that gold brick.
Oh, right. You want it in between those. Okay, yeah, cool.
Right.
Yeah,
So
so I
now
think
when it
it'll.
pulls back up, it shouldn't break, it should not break this
Oh,
brick
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
before you get a push down.
Yeah, okay. That's why you're doing it. Right, yeah. Yeah, I think this
So any
will.
kind of brick you get inside this zone,
Yeah.
look for the sell out.
Yeah.
But I will tell you that's inline. That is inline liquidity sitting there with those two bricks. And since this didn't break the low, I would be looking at this to buy up to take this little inline liquidity with these two bricks out,
Yeah, okay.
break this high, turn around, and then drop out.
Oh, we'll watch it over the week, Tom. See how it pans out. What's all this US crap in here? This durable goods, jobs. Oh, really? Oh, okay. And then there's a rate decision. They keep it on hold. Jerome won't be liked. Okay. Non-farm payroll. Yeah, this week, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Also, what was that? What was that?
FOMC, is it? Or
No, it
didn't
was
see it.
CPU or something like that.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the price. Oh, well. I've got that one order and I've got a few other things I want to put on when I get back. Got a few things. I got Mum Mum went into hospital yesterday again. She couldn't stand the walk. So I got a few things I got to sort of my sisters. One of my sisters helping out there, so we're doing that. And then Claire's mum's in she's in rehab where they're going to tell her today she's got to go to respite and then to a home. So things are a bit busy around here
Right.
with all the stuff, just family gear going on, trying to
That's
help.
what I've been dealing with up in Oregon. So I know exactly what you're talking about.
Okay. Oh, mate, no worries. Well, I'm going to get myself into gear for the day. Are you
Okay.
okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I am looking forward to this week.
Yeah, I
Believe you
can.
me.
There's some moving around happening. So,
Hmm.
all right then.
I am in
Until
a I am in a no I am in a no, take no prisoners mood.
yeah, a no lose situation.
A lot of the times, yeah.
All right then. Well, take it easy, and I